Welcome to our ultimate guide to backpacking. If you're looking for a thrilling adventure in the great outdoors and planning to make the most out of your trip, then you're in the right place. But before we jump into the meat of it, let's define what backpacking is and why you should try it. Backpacking is a form of outdoor travel where you carry all your essential gear in a backpack and set off to explore new places by foot. It's a unique way of experiencing the beauty of nature, meeting new people, and challenging yourself physically and mentally. Backpacking is an activity that suits all ages, budgets, and skill levels, making it one of the most rewarding outdoor activities. So if you're ready, let's dive into the essential tips and tricks you need to know for an unforgettable backpacking experience. 1. Plan your trip ahead of time. The key to any successful backpacking trip is planning. Before setting off, consider the duration of your trip, the weather, the location, and your physical capabilities. Research your destination thoroughly and plan your route well. Make sure you have a sound understanding of the terrain, the water sources, and the potential hazards. Check the weather forecast and consider the seasonal changes for the location you're visiting. Additionally, make sure you have enough food and water for the entire trip, and don't forget to pack a map and compass. 2. Choose the right backpack. Choosing the right backpack is vital to your comfort and well-being while on the trail. Your backpack should be lightweight, comfortable, and fit your body well. A backpack with a hip belt will help distribute the weight and make it more comfortable for you. While selecting a backpack, consider your height, weight, torso length, and hip size. A good rule of thumb is to choose a backpack that is no less than 40 liters if you are going on a multi-day trip. 3. Pack the right gear. When packing for a backpacking trip, the golden rule is to pack light. Every item you add to your backpack will increase the weight you have to carry, so it's best to stick to the essentials. Here's a checklist of must-have gear. Tent. Choose a lightweight and compact tent that is easy to set up and provides adequate protection from the elements. Sleeping bag. Invest in a high-quality sleeping bag that is weather-resistant and fits your body well. Clothing. Choose clothing that is lightweight and easy to dry. Include a rain jacket, warm hat, gloves, and comfortable shoes. Cooking gear. A portable stove, fuel, and cooking utensils like a pot, spoon, and cup are essential for preparing meals while backpacking. Water filtration system. A compact water filtration system will help you purify water from natural sources like rivers and streams. First aid kit. A comprehensive first aid kit that includes medical supplies like band-aids, antiseptics, pain relievers, and insect repellent. 4. Follow trail etiquette. Trail etiquette is essential for maintaining good relations with other backpackers, hikers, and nature enthusiasts. Here are a few trail etiquette tips. Respect nature wildlife. Don't litter, avoid damaging natural resources, and never feed wild animals. Yield to others. When coming across another backpacker on the trail, yield to them as you would on the road. Stay on the trail. Don't cut corners, stick to designated trails, and avoid creating new ones. 5. Keep clean. Maintaining hygiene is essential on the trail for the sake of your own health, others, and the environment. Keep yourself and your surroundings clean at all times. Here are a few tips. Pack a small towel and a biodegradable soap. Dig a hole 6 inches deep to bury human waste at least 200 feet from water sources. Use wet wipes to clean your hands and face when it's cold outside and water is scarce. 6. Be prepared for emergencies. Taking essential precautions can go a long way in emergencies. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Carry a whistle and a flashlight in case of emergency. Always let someone know the details of your trip, including your planned route, departure, and return times. Learn some basic first aid skills before you head out on your trip. 7. Enjoy the journey. Finally, the most important rule of backpacking is to have fun and enjoy your journey. Take in the beauty of nature around you, breathe in the fresh air, and let the magic of the outdoors rejuvenate you. In conclusion, backpacking is a rewarding outdoor activity that can provide many unforgettable experiences. By following these essential tips, you'll be able to maximize your enjoyment, stay safe, and make the most out of your trip. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and embark on your next great outdoor adventure. Don't forget to share this guide with your friends and family who may also be interested in backpacking. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you have an amazing time exploring the great outdoors.